Hello, this is Roger, Low Vision Product Manager here at HumanWare. And in this video, I would like to show you how to use the new dictionary tool that became available in Prodigy version 4.8 and for use on the Matt Connect version 2.1 tablets released in January of 2023 to help students develop their vocabulary and their reading comprehension using the dictionary, the books application, and a gesture that's included in the Prodigy software. So to begin with, let's set up that gesture for use. So what we'll do is we'll scroll to the right in the carousel here and go into settings, which is also found in other interfaces, and scroll down to applications. Tap there. And what we want to do is set up this gesture called rapid toggle right here. So I'm going to tap on that. And we can search applications by their names and typing them in, or we can select them from a list by tapping on select applications. Now, if you'll recall, the two applications that I said we wanted to work with are books, and we'll scroll down, and that new dictionary application that was added in Prodigy 4.8. So now let's back out of here. Let's now go over to the left here and enter into our books application. Here in the books application, you'll see on the bottom that I have Bookshare activated on my Matt Connect. And it's a great resource here in North America as well as elsewhere in that it has nearly 1.25 million pieces of e-content readily available for students to use. Clearly, that's going to save a lot of educational time when you can just almost immediately download materials. So let's go into My Books, and you'll see that in class right now, I am reading The Giver. So let's tap on that. Now, it's going to go ahead and open this book up, and it will return to right where I left off last time. So I can use all of my tools that are normally in the books application. So I can use gestures to zoom in and zoom back out. I can use the buttons to zoom in and zoom out incrementally. Again, going back to gestures here, I can use the read button in the middle to activate text to speech. And I can even do markup using the markup tool there on that toolbar at the bottom. But let's say that I'm reading along through my text here, and I come across the word guilty right there. And that's a word that I know that I need to know the meaning of, and I'm going to use it as I'm reading The Giver. So let's use that rapid toggle feature now to place two fingers at the middle of the screen and swipe to the right. And it'll say books. We'll swipe again, and it will immediately take us to our dictionary. Now, the dictionary is covered in an overview video that you can watch separately, but what we're going to do is go ahead now and look up that word, guilty. Notice that my virtual keyboard is coming up and it's predicting ahead here. So I see the word guilty has come up. So let's tap on that and go ahead and search that up. So I see guilty and guilty pleasure. Let's tap on guilty as a suggestion. And now we can see that we have a list of different definitions that might fit what I'm looking for. So let's see, culpable of or responsible for a wrongdoing, and I read along, conscious of or affected by a feeling of guilt, involving a feeling of judgment of guilt. Okay, so that one sounds pretty good. Now down at the bottom, there's some synonyms and antonyms though, just to remind you. So let's use involving a feeling of judgment of guilt. What we want to do is go ahead and save this now by tapping the bookmark in the upper right corner, and I can save it to the Giver word list. And down here, you can see that it has now successfully been saved. And if I wanted to continue searching, I can tap the magnifying glass in the upper right and continue searching. I can also use my rapid toggle gesture to swipe, and Prodigy is always going to be one of the applications that I go to. So right now, you'll recall we set it up for books and we set it up for dictionary. Prodigy is always the third application, so you'll always come back around to the carousel when you use the rapid toggle. But at this point, it's a wash, rinse, and repeat type of activity where the next time I come across a word, let's say ceremony was another word I wanted to look up, I would just use my two-finger gesture to swipe. I'm back in my dictionary, and I can go ahead and look that word up and add it to my Giver word list to study in the future. If I want to see those words, let's back out of the search field here, and you'll see that I can go into my word list right here anytime that I would like, and I can access the word list that I have there called the giver, and you'll see the words that I've added to it in the past. Also, another tool that could be useful is the recents. Had I not added it to a word list there, I can go in and see the recent words that I've looked up there as well. So that is an overview of how to use the rapid toggle feature to quickly move between books and dictionary to enhance students' vocabulary development and their reading comprehension. As always, please send us any ideas you have for future development of Prodigy, the books application, the dictionary application, or anything that has to do with the Mac Connect. Without you, we cannot continue to get better in serving the students who require the use of our devices. Thank you for watching this video.